Asteroid Apophis, once feared as a potential Earth impact, will make a close flyby in 2029. On April 13, 2029, Apophis, a 1,100-foot-wide asteroid, will pass just 19,000 miles above our planet, closer than some satellites. This rare event will give scientists an unprecedented opportunity to study a near-Earth object up close. And the best part? You'll be able to see it with the naked eye as it flies by. While there's no danger of impact this time, Apophis is a reminder of the vast and unpredictable universe we live in. Will you be watching the skies in 2029? Subscribe for more space updates.